Hey, we're heading out to the coop. It's a very cold New England morning, and it has to be maybe 17 degrees. Sun's coming up. Let them out earlier, and what we're gonna do is gonna make sure they have hydration because the waters have all frozen over. This is rock solid. We left them some food here earlier to get into. They don't really like the grain much. They love the wild bird feed more than anything. We made juice this morning, so our customers will get juice. There's the leftovers, and they're going after it. Now here is the most clumsy of all the chickens. She kicked over the water earlier. And what we have, since we make our own cheese, our own butter, we have leftover whey, and it's good to put the whey in there for calcium, so we're gonna load these girls up with some whey. Oh yeah, put that in their water, loaded with calcium. That's a way to keep their engines going. And again, we have all these leaves up here just to move around and help. Hey everybody. Hi. Hope they're working the other end. Excuse me. Serve their breakfast there. There's plenty of food for them to have. Let's see if we have any eggs this morning. Hi. Hi. Hey everybody. It looks like they're just trying to stay warm and toasty in here. They're not trying to go out. Hey girls. Ooh, you left an egg. Thank you. Oh, it's still warm. Nothing else. Okay, excuse us. Excuse me.